can't take all this sitting around. When you gonna let me come out and do some dirt with you?
Don't take it the wrong way, Pierce. I'm just used to dealing with shit myself.
Heads up, Pierce. Come on.
Sorry, girl. No self-respecting brother plays hacky sack. Why you got the cheerleader calling the shots and not me?
Right here.
Pierce, I put you in charge of the Ronin. What more do you want?
I can do more to help.
Do you know how the Sons of Samedi are still moving product after we torched their farm and drug labs?
No.
Then shut the fuck up.
Why you gotta be like that?
I'm just saying, don't bitch unless you got a solution.
Guys.
My solution is to do more than wait around for one of the 600 guys Shonda used to fuck to give us a call.
There's a bunch of helicopters dropping cargo over Samedi territory.
How the hell you know that? Gotta be fucking kidding me.
I'll tell you what, Pierce. If you want to watch me blow up some helicopters, you're more than welcome.
About time you took me along.
Pierce.
No, I'm serious. I'm always on time, I always listen, I always pay attention.
Pierce. Helicopters.
I know we're looking for helicopters. I told you I got this.
The fucking helicopters are here, Pierce!
Shit! Hang on tight! Chopper's over there! Flying over the water.
Pull over, we'll take a boat.
We got another helicopter!
Ditch the boat. We gotta get back on shore and grab a ride.
Wonder how much aqua you put in Carl's trade.
Excuse me, damn it! It's a rent.
You see that? Now that's a textbook carjack. Now this is what we need, some drive-by music.
Shit will look both ways. Hell yeah! Road Rangers,
Are you shitting me?
through that shit!
Now there's no more weed. Ain't no phone. No, it makes no sense. Right out the door. Ain't the only thing to hear your voice anymore.
That's what I'm talking about.
If it was 17 reasons I just can't
Son,
get over.
you're no Neo.
Stronger than this, yeah. Getting round with my head down. Woo, this is the part right here, baby. See, I'm so sick of love songs, so sad it is. So sick of this day. You were still here. I'm so sick of love songs, so sad it goes.
You know why I am here.
I do.
I took no pleasure in this, my friend. But a price needed to be paid for failure.
Don't worry. I only need one ear to hear the whispers of the Loa.
I know that you will fix this.
Of course, General. Do not worry.